Posting to social media. The best way to build your social media following is to use your social media. Make sure you have a regular posting schedule so your viewers know they can rely on new content for them to see. Aim to post at least every other day, but be careful not to post too much, as this may cause followers to unfollow or hide your posts. If you have a lot of content you need to post in a day, consider using the story features on Instagram and Facebook, as these are less invasive. It's a good idea to link your Instagram and Facebook account so that when you post to one, it syncs to the other, saving you some steps. Interacting with pages that have lots of followers is a great way to boost your following. Try reaching out to other businesses and arrange ways you can help each other. Take advantage of hashtags on your social media. Hashtags are great tools to promote your post. By now, most people have seen them. Hashtag Throwback Thursday is a pretty common one. Hashtags link your posts to the tag, which means when someone looks at the tag, they'll be able to see your post. Hashtags should be related to your post. Look for hashtags with lots of posts connected to them to gain the most views. You can also tag businesses by using the @ symbol. To tag Experience Exeter, you would enter @Experience Exeter. This will bring up a link to the Experience Exeter page, which you can select and will revert @Experience Exeter to a clickable link. Each time you tag a business, they will see that you showcased them, which will potentially generate likes, shares, and views, which inevitably increase your audience, and at the end of the day, this is exactly what you are looking for.